and I don't know how to play the guitar.
Hi, I'm Shail and I don't know how to sing.
Hi, I'm Dia and I can't sing either.
On camera. That's fine. You'll be on camera. Is that fine?
Sweet singing.
Okay. So we call it.
It's a 10 in 10.
Conformity is a person's tendency to align their attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors in order to fit into a group. It is a type of social influence where a person is scared of being rejected by the majority. Therefore, they publicly accept the views of a group, but privately reject them. For example,
Did you listen to Taylor's new album? I did, but I was so excited for Invitation, dude.
I can't wait to attend her concert.
I love it so much. Even I like it. Let's talk about our experiment. The aim of our experiment is to show that there is a significant difference in participant conformity based on group unanimity. Our independent variable is group unanimity, which is when all members of a group agree on something. Anyways, the levels of our ID are unanimous, divided, and neutral.
A dependent variable is participant conformity, which is the tendency of an individual to change their opinion based on group unanimity.
5, 6, 7, 8. I found the one for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found the one, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in
We're performing arts students, college only, and we have this like project where we have to sing in public and get reactions from real people, and we have to submit this to our teacher. Would you be interested in rating the performance?
Okay, sure.
Are you okay to being recorded? Yeah. Sure. And basically we have this project where we have to sing in public and get people's real reactions. We'll just submit it to our teacher.
Okay.
Would you be interested in rating the performance?
Sure.
You'll be on camera. Is that fine? Thank you. You'll be on camera. Is that fine? All right. Thank you. What did you guys think about the performance?
It was great. I think a solid 9 on 10.
9 on 10.
I love the song Perfect, so I really like the whole cover. I would give it a 10 on 10.
The guitarist was really good, and the girl with curly hair, she was amazing. I think it's a 10.
I think it's a 10. I personally play guitar, so it was so good.
Okay. And you?
I'll give it a 9. I love the song Perfect and they just sang it so well.
I love your top. Thank you. Okay, so what did you guys think about the
It was
performance?
really nice. I loved the guitar.
Really?
Yes.
And what would you rate it on like a scale of 10?
9.
9? 8. What did you guys think about the performance?
I really liked it.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
It's a 10 for me.
I really liked the guitar. It was a really great performance. I'd give it a 9 on 10.
Alright, you?
I really like the entire performance, a 10 on 10 for sure.
The singers were amazing and I'll give it a 9 on 10.
9 on 10.
I'll give it a 10 on 10. The guitarist and the singers were pretty well.
Okay.
I'll give 10 on 10.
10 on 10. And up?
10 on 9.
10 on 9. What would you rate this out of 10?
I really like the songs. I would rate it a 9 on 10.
You?
I would rate it 10 because I love the guitar. And
It was a 10 in my opinion.
A 9 on 10 for sure.
Love the singers, love the song, a 10 for sure.
I love Ed Sheeran so much. It was definitely a 10 on 10.
Would you rate it out of 10?
9 on 10.
Why?
Sweet singing.
I would give it a 10 on 10 for sure.
Okay. And you?
10 definitely.
Okay. Thank you. Think about the performance?
It was really good.
How much would you rate it out of 10?
I would give it a 9.
And you?
I would give it a 10 on 10.
Why?
I love the strumming of the guitar and
Okay. How much would you rate it?
I'll give it a 10. It was amazing.
And you?
A 9 for sure.
And
A 10 on 10 for sure.
why the 10?
The singers were amazing.
Okay. How much would you rate it out of
10
10?
on 10. It was blissful. I was lost the entire time that they were singing.
Okay. What did you think of the performance?
I feel like they could have done a little better. I would give it a 4 on 10.
Okay. How much would you rate it?
I would give it a 9 on 10.
9 on 10. How much would you rate it?
I would also give it a 9 on 10. I really liked it.
Okay. How much would you rate it?
I think a 4. They could do better.
Okay.
I'll give it 9 on 10.
A 9 on 10.
Yeah.
Same, 9 on 10. I
Why?
like it. I
Because
like
you
it.
liked it. Okay. So what did you think about the performance?
It was okay. A lot of things could have been a lot better.
So how would you rate it out of 10?
A 4 on 10.
What did you think?
I really liked it. I would give it a 9.
Okay.
I think it could have been better. The guitar was a little off for me. So 4 out of 10.
Okay. And you?
I would give it a 9 on 10 for sure.
A 9 on 10. And you?
I think a 4. It could have been better.
Okay. What would you rate it?
I really loved the performance at 10 and 10 on 10 for me. I think it was a great performance overall.
And how much would you rate it?
Oh, 4 on 10.
Okay. And you?
I loved it. A 9 on 10.
And you?
I would rate it a 9 on 10. It was a really good song.
Okay. And you?
I don't know, 8.5, 9. 9
Why?
works. Yeah.
Did you like it?
It was good, it was okay.
So what did you think about the performance?
I'll give it a 9 on 10 because I think they did a pretty good job.
Thank you. What do you think about the performance?
It was very mediocre. So like 2. I'll rate it out 2 out of 10.
And
yeah,
you?
same. I think 4 out of 10.
Okay. How much would you rate it?
I'll give it a 5 on 10.
Okay. And you?
6 on 10. I would give it a 7. It was still pretty good.
Okay. And how much would you rate it?
I would rate it 3 out of 10. Was not that good.
Okay. Thank you. What would you rate it out of 10?
Not such a big fan of the song, but voice is good, but guitar there should be some chords.
Okay. So what would you rate it out of 10?
6.
6. Thank you. How much would you rate it out of 10?
I did not really like it, so 2.
Okay. And you?
Mid, so like 5.
Okay. And you?
I would give it a 7. They still did a pretty good job.
Okay.
I think I'll give it a 6 because it was okay, but it could be better.
What do you think about the performance?
It was average, not that good.
How much would you rate it out of 10?
4 on 10.
Okay. And you?
I still think they were pretty good, so I would give it a 7.
Okay. And how much would you rate it?
I think it was mid, so 5.
Thank you.
So this is just an act. They're not performing arts students and they're all psychology students. Yeah, from Sunananda Bhatia School of Science and MINUS University. So this experiment aimed at looking at the influence of group unanimity on participant conformity. Do you know what conformity is?
I'm sorry, no.
So conformity is a social construct in which a person exhibits socially desirable behavior in the presence of a group. Yeah. So do you still consent to us using your video?
Work well.
So it's for educational purposes?
Please. Thank you so much.
We were doing an experiment on conformity, the influence of a group on your response.
You got pranked.
Yeah, in a way, you did get pranked. Yeah, they can't sing at all. This is just to, gauge the influence of a group on the response of other people. So yeah, thank you.
The results of the social experiment on conformity show that the participants in the experiment showed high levels of conformity when presented with a unanimous group decision, even if it contradicted their own opinions or beliefs. They rated a poorly sung performance more positively when the group unanimously gave high ratings. Neutral condition, when the group did not exhibit conformity, the average rating was 5.1. In the unanimous condition, when the group showed complete conformity, the average rating was 9.1 and 9 out of 10 participants completely conformed. In the third scenario, when there were divided ratings, the average rating by the participants was 8.6 and 6 out of 10 participants completely confirmed. This suggests group unanimity powerfully influences an individual's decision making and behavior.